For your bigne, you're gonna need half cup of water, half cup of whole milk, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and 2 ounces of butter. And we're gonna bring it on the stove. On medium heat, we're gonna heat up all the ingredients, and it has to reach the first boil. After the butter is melted and you can see that the fluid solution is really warm, we're gonna add all the flour all in once. And we're gonna try to mix very vigorously, so we're not gonna create any lumps. We are going to cook the paste that we create for 1 minute. As you can see at the bottom of the pan, there is like a film that is created. That's the butter that get released from the dough, so no worries, it's completely normal. After you remove the pan from the stove, keep mixing it for another minute. This will allow it to cool down the dough a little bit, and it will prevent to cook the eggs when you incorporate them. Now I show you how to incorporate the eggs. So you incorporate 1 egg at a time and try to scrape very well all the sides and keep mixing with a little bit of force. After you're done mixing all the eggs, you should have, as a result, a very smooth paste. After all the eggs are incorporated, pick some product up, lift the spatula, and if it leaves a triangle, it's ready to be used. And as for the manual option, for the machine, of course, are the same steps. You let the dough to cool down for about a minute. Then you're going to add 1 egg at a time until all the eggs are absorbed. And then you can check the dough if it has like the triangle shape. And then as a final step, you can put it in the piping bag. The only difference in doing manually and doing with the machine is that with the machine you actually have to go and scrape all the sides of the bowl, so you're gonna have a very uniform type of dough. After you're done mixing everything together and everything is nice and smooth, it's time to put all the dough in a piping bag. It's time to shape our bigne. Here I chose 1 inch of diameter. You can make them smaller or bigger depending the needs that you have. If you don't feel comfortable doing it by eye, you can always buy the pre-shaped mats and they will help you to give it the right shape. After you're done creating your bigne, they're gonna cook in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. A little trick, grab some aluminum foil and give it a shape almost like a candy cane, and then put it between the door of the oven and the mouth of the oven. This will leave a small gap and the humidity inside will be released, will escape, and you will have much more fragrant bigne. And these are the cooked bigne. The bigne go well either with sweet creams or even for savory fillings. You can use it as appetizer, for instance. When you open your bigne, you should find a nice hole inside so all the filling can fit comfortably inside. This was my bigne recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.